If you wait until your English is perfect, you will never speak.
That's right, Sarah. We learn by doing.
And today, we are doing some great English listening practice.
Yes, we will talk about a simple thing everyone knows.
It's your daily routine at a very popular place.
So, listen closely for our English listening practice, daily routine at the coffee shop.
Hello, Mike. How are you today?
I'm great, Sarah. Hello to you. And hello to all our wonderful English students around the world.
We are so happy you are here with the Confidence Crew today.
We love helping you speak and understand English. We want to see you grow.
If you like this easy way to learn English, please take 1 second now.
Go ahead and press the like button for us. It really helps.
And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Sharing is caring.
Thank you. Let's start learning.
Sarah, do you have a favorite coffee shop?
I do. It is next to the train station. I go there almost every morning.
What is your usual routine there?
Well, last week, my routine was not usual. It was a funny disaster.
Oh no! Tell me the story.
Okay, so I wake up, I am late, I run out the door. My hair is a mess.
A messy hair day. I know that feeling.
Yes! I get to the coffee shop. I am trying to look calm. I walk to the counter.
The counter is where you order, right?
Exactly. I look up at the menu. I say my order to the kind barista.
What is your usual order?
A large black coffee. Simple. But last week, I was so tired. I said, "Can I please have a large black cat?"
A large black cat? That's a very strange drink.
I know. The barista just looked at me. He looked at the counter. He looked at me again.
What did he say?
He smiled and said, "I'm sorry, we only have coffee today. No cats."
That is so funny. What did you say then?
I turned bright red. I quickly said, "Oh, I mean a large black coffee. Sorry, I am still waking up."
What a great story. It reminds us that mistakes are okay. They are often funny.
Yes. The barista laughed, I laughed, and I got my coffee. A large black coffee, not a cat.
That's a good lesson. Even when we are tired, we can still make an order. And mistakes are how we learn English.
Let's look at some useful words from that story. These words are great for your daily life.
Excellent. Our first phrase is a verb. Wake up.
Wake up means you open your eyes and finish sleeping.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
A good question is, what time do you wake up?
Repeat after me. I wake up early. Now let's practice. We want you to speak out loud. Don't be shy.
This is called self-talk practice. You make sentences about your life.
Let's think about the morning routine. First question, what time do you wake up?
Say it out loud. Start your sentence with, "I wake up at."
Good job. Now let's talk about leaving your house. Do you leave quickly?
Say, "Sometimes I run out the door." Or, "I never run out the door."
Very good. Last question. Think about your favorite coffee shop.
If you don't have one, just imagine. What do you say to the barista?
Say your usual order. For example, "Hello, barista. Can I have a small tea?" Fantastic. Practice makes perfect. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking.
Fantastic. Practice makes perfect. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking. Let's do a quick review. We learned some simple but important English words today.
Number 1, we learned the phrase, wake up. This is when we stop sleeping. I wake up at 6.
Number 2, we learned out the door. This means leaving the house quickly.
Number 3,
was a place, the counter. This is where we order food or drinks.
And number 4, the person who makes the coffee, the barista.
Number 5, the funny expression, turned bright red, when your face gets red from being shy.
Great! You did a lot of great English practice in a short time. Thank you for learning with us on the Confidence Crew today.
We hope this simple practice helped your listening and speaking.
Now it's your turn. We have a question for you. Tell us in the comments below. What is your daily routine at a coffee shop? Do you order black coffee? Do you order a black cat? I wink.
Write your answer in simple English. It's great practice.
Don't forget to hit the like button, thumbs up, if you enjoyed this video.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
And share this video with a friend. We love having new students.
Thank you again. Keep practicing every day. Your English is amazing.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Happy learning.